Good morning, students. I hope you all are safe and doing well at home. The topic which I am going to explain today is a dream poem which is written by Ghulam Mustafa Tabassum. Ghulam Mustafa Tabassum was born in 1899 in Amritsar in the British India time. Fine. So, this poem is written by Ghulam Mustafa Tabassum and he has used various parts of speech such as similes and metaphors in every stanza. So, let me explain you first of all what is simile and metaphor. Simile is a part of speech where we compare two things of different kinds using like or as. For example, in the first three lines, you can see I say open your hearts like a new flower. He has used here simile and simile here because like is used here. And what is metaphor? Metaphor also compares two things but without using like or has as. Okay, here in the last stanza, one day a tree will grow high and strong. Here this is an example of metaphor. So he says to open our hearts and help all people. The hatred that we feel should flow away and justice should form in our hearts. He says that he has a dream that one day all the people in the world live in harmony and cooperate with each other. He wishes that this situation shall prevail forever and we shall live in peace. Okay, now let's begin with the first three lines of the poem. I say, open your hearts like a new flower. In the first three lines of the poem, poet says we should open our hearts like a new flower. Let me explain what he actually wants to say. As you already know, this poem is based on the theme world peace. He expresses people should be open to all ideas, beliefs, and faiths. They should not be having ill feeling of people of other religion, country. Like a new flower give its fragrance to everyone, in the same way we should be communicating with all. Fine. Let the hatred in us flow away like a stream. Let justice be set in your hearts like a stone standing straight and firm. In these four lines, the poet wants the people to stop having a feeling of hatred towards other human beings. Peaceful society, justice, equality for everyone. According to poet, a people who is fair is as firm as a stone standing firm. Fine. Now come to the second page, page number 37. Next line. In the next stanza, the poet he dreams of a world where everyone lives together in peace and harmony. He thinks of a day when all people around the world will eat from plate of a peace. Plate of a peace is an example of allusion here, which means there will be harmony in relationship. He hopes that in the future all people of the world will always be treated with justice and fair manner. This was the literally meaning of the poem that poet actually wants to convey. Here is the example of shall eat from plate of peace. This is the example of metaphor. Okay, one day tree will grow high. This is also an example of metaphor. So this poem is giving an message that we should stop feeling of hatred towards other, and one more message, people should live together in peace and harmony, and we should not have ill feeling for the people of other country religion. And one more message the poet is giving in this poem, all the people of the world should be treated in fair manner. So this poem is based on the theme world peace. All the people should love all the people should be treated in fair manner, and they should live in peace and harmony. They should open their heart for the all the religion and the country. So I hope you understood the lesson. If you are having any problem, you can ask me personally. Thank you, students.